Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Wonder from Wonderland. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing a circle for the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with a large curve across for the mouth. And then curve it down underneath and back up. And then a small curve on each end. Now we're going to hop inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw two small curves down from the top. And then a curve down underneath. And then color the outside section in black. Now we're going to hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And one more on each side. Now that we're done the mouth, let's hop on top and draw the eyes. We'll start with two curves up. Now at the bottom, let's draw two small lines in. And then another curve up underneath. And color these both in black. Now let's add the pattern around the left eye. Let's add a curve on top and a V-shaped point up. Now we're going to do the same thing going down. Let's start with a curve across inside the eye. And then a point down underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and continue the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a V-shaped point up in the center. And then let's move over and let's draw one up on each side. And then a large one out on each side like this. Now on the right side, let's draw a smaller one in between. Now let's hop down and let's draw two going down on the bottom corners. And then on top, let's draw one in between on the left. And a smaller one on the right. And lastly, let's draw two going down underneath. And that's it for the head. Lastly, let's draw the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve in between the spikes. Now let's continue it on each side by curving it up. And connect it at the top. Now for the top of the hat, let's draw two curves up and close it off at the top. Now inside the hat, let's draw another curve across the center. And now in the bottom section, let's draw a 4-pointed star with 4 curves like this. And then a smaller one on top. And that's it for Wonder. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!